When little Charlie Bucket finds the golden ticket in the Wonka chocolate bar and wins a day in the fabulous chocolate factory, little did he know that that was only the tip of the real prize, a stay for the whole family with him spending a happy and mouth-watering life inventing new recipes. Like this chocolate cake, a simple and good dessert, just Charlie Bucket style. For our chocolate cake, we will need sugar, room temperature butter, flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, yeast, a pinch of salt, eggs, and chocolate. I have already chopped it and melted it in a bain-marie. As soon as it's completely melted, I will remove it from the stove and we'll let it cool down a bit. I've fitted a wire whisk, and now let's take our room temperature butter, add the sugar and whip until foamy. Let's add the eggs one by one, adding each one only once the previous one has been absorbed. While the eggs are being whipped, we can sift flour, cocoa and yeast together. The mixture is well beaten, I can add the chocolate. A pinch of salt and we're done here. Here we are. Let's clean the whisk well. Not even the slightest amount should be wasted. And now we can add the dry ingredients. A couple of spoonfuls at a time and let's stir. Let's be gentle, movements from the bottom upwards so we don't deflate the eggs too much. Here we are, it's ready to become a cake. Baking pan already greased and lined with baking paper. Let's pour the dough. Let's spread it evenly inside the pan. A little shake to distribute the dough well towards the edges. Now this goes in the oven at 180 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. The chocolate cake is ready and has already filled the house with a nice smell. I'm sure that my friends, the Oompa Loompas, would also appreciate it a lot.
Bon appétit!